Hello, little friends. Welcome back to our fun alphabet adventure. Today, we are going to learn about another cool letter. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's the letter C. C is the third letter of the alphabet, and it starts so many cool words. Let's learn the interesting new words that starts with alphabet C. A camel is a large, gentle animal that lives in hot, sandy places like deserts. It has a big, rounded body and long legs with strong, padded feet. Camels have 1 or 2 humps on their backs where they store fat to help them survive without water for a long time. They can drink a lot of water quickly and eat tough plants. Camels are often called ships of the desert because they help people travel across the sand. When you see the letter C, think of the camel, a sturdy and unique animal that helps people in the desert. A cat is a small, furry animal that makes a great pet. It has a soft coat, sharp claws, and a long tail. Cats come in many colors and patterns, like black, white, gray, or striped. They are known for their playful behavior and love to chase toys or pounce on things. Cats also like to curl up in cozy spots and purr when they are happy. They can be very friendly and enjoy spending time with people. When you see the letter C, think of the cat, a cute and cuddly friend who brings joy and fun to your home. A caterpillar is a small, wiggly insect that is the baby stage of a butterfly. It has a long, soft body with many tiny legs and looks like a little worm. Caterpillars come in different colors and patterns, and they love to eat leaves. As they grow, they shed their skin several times to get bigger. After a while, the caterpillar makes a cozy shell around itself called a chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, it changes into a beautiful butterfly. When you see the letter C, think of the caterpillar, a tiny creature that transforms into a lovely butterfly. A chameleon is a special kind of lizard known for its amazing ability to change colors. It has a long, curved tail and sticky tongue that helps it catch insects. Chameleons can change their colors to blend in with their surroundings, like leaves or branches, which helps them stay safe from predators. They have big, bulging eyes that can look in different directions at the same time. Chameleons live in warm places like forests and deserts. When you see the letter C, think of the chameleon, a colorful and clever creature that blends into its environment. A clam is a type of sea animal that lives in the sand or mud at the bottom of the ocean. It has a hard, two-part shell that opens and closes to protect its soft body inside. Clams have a shiny, smooth shell and can be different colors, like white, gray, or brown. They use their shell to dig into the sand and stay safe. Clams are filter feeders, which means they eat tiny bits of food from the water. When you see the letter C, think of the clam, a simple and interesting sea creature that lives in the ocean. A crocodile is a large, strong reptile that lives in rivers, lakes, and swamps. It has a long, scaly body with powerful jaws and sharp teeth. Crocodiles are usually green or brown and have a thick, rough skin that helps protect them. They are great swimmers and can stay underwater for a long time. Crocodiles eat fish, birds, and sometimes even larger animals. They can also move quickly on land. When you see the letter C, think of the crocodile, a big and impressive animal that lives in the water and is known for its strong jaws and quick movements. A calendar is a special tool that helps you keep track of days, weeks, and months. It has pages or squares that show each day of the year. Each month has its own page or section with numbers and the names of the days, like Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Calendars can be colorful and often have pictures or fun designs. They help you remember important dates, like birthdays and holidays, and show how much time has passed or is coming up. When you see the letter C, think of the calendar, a helpful and fun way to plan and keep track of your days. A chair is a piece of furniture that you sit on. It has a flat seat, a backrest to support you, and usually 4 legs to keep it steady. Chairs come in many shapes and sizes, and they can be made of wood, plastic, or metal. Some chairs have arms on the sides where you can rest your arms. You can find chairs in many places, like at the dining table, in the classroom, or in the living room. When you see the letter C, think of the chair, a useful and comfortable piece of furniture that helps you sit and relax. A chicken is a bird that is often found on farms. It has feathers that can be white, brown, or black, and it has a bright red comb on its head. Chickens are known for making a clucking sound and laying eggs. The eggs can be eaten or used to hatch baby chickens. Chickens like to peck at the ground to find seeds and insects to eat. They live in co-ops or pens and often enjoy scratching around in the dirt. When you see the letter C, think of the chicken, a friendly farm animal that gives us eggs and makes a fun sound. A cockroach is a small, creepy insect with a flat, brown body and long, thin legs. It has 2 long antennae on its head that help it feel and smell its way around. Cockroaches are known for their quick, scurrying movements and can often be found hiding in dark places like under sinks or in cracks. They are good at climbing and can even fly short distances. Cockroaches are mostly active at night and like to eat leftover food. When you see the letter C, think of the cockroach, an insect that can be surprising and is known for its fast moves. A crow is a smart, black bird that is found all over the world. It has shiny, black feathers and a strong, curved beak. Crows are known for their loud, cawing calls and can be very noisy. They are very clever and can solve problems, like figuring out how to get food. Crows often live in groups called murders and build nests high in trees. They eat many different kinds of food, including insects, fruits, and small animals. When you see the letter C, think of the crow, an intelligent and interesting bird with a distinctive call. A camera is a special device used to take pictures or videos. It has a lens that looks like a big eye and a screen or viewfinder where you can see what you are taking a picture of. When you press the button, the camera captures the image and saves it. Cameras can be small, like those in phones, or larger with more buttons and settings. You can use a camera to take photos of your friends, family, pets, or places you visit. When you see the letter C, think of the camera, a fun tool that helps you capture and remember special moments. A chandelier is a fancy light fixture that hangs from the ceiling. It has many arms or branches that hold light bulbs or candles. Chandeliers are often decorated with sparkling crystals or beautiful designs, making them look like a piece of art. They can be found in special rooms like dining rooms or ballrooms, and they help make the room bright and elegant. When the lights are on, chandeliers can make a room look magical and shimmering. When you see the letter C, think of the chandelier, a beautiful and bright decoration that adds sparkle and light to any room. A chimpanzee is a smart and playful animal that looks like a big monkey. It has a brown or black furry body, a round face, and long arms. Chimpanzees live in forests and jungles and are very good at climbing trees. They use their hands to grab food, play with each other, and make tools. Chimpanzees like to eat fruits, nuts, and sometimes insects. They are very social and live in groups, making lots of different sounds to communicate. When you see the letter C, think of the chimpanzee, a clever and lively animal that loves to play and explore. A chipmunk is a small, cute rodent with brown fur and stripes running down its back. It has big cheeks that it uses to store food, like nuts and seeds, to eat later. Chipmunks live in forests and grassy areas, where they make cozy nests in burrows or under logs. They are very quick and love to run and climb. Chipmunks are busy animals that gather food to prepare for the winter. When you see the letter C, think of the chipmunk, a tiny, adorable creature with stripes and cheeky cheeks that help it store and enjoy its food. A cabinet is a piece of furniture with doors and shelves that you use to store things. It can be found in kitchens, bathrooms, or living rooms. Cabinets often hold dishes, clothes, or books. They have a flat top where you can put items and doors that open and close to keep things tidy. Some cabinets have drawers or special places to organize smaller items. Cabinets come in different shapes, sizes, and colors, making them useful and stylish. When you see the letter C, think of the cabinet, a handy and organized place to keep your belongings safe and neat. A candle is a small, often tall object that burns with a flame to give light. It has a wax body with a wick in the middle. When you light the wick with a match or lighter, the wax melts and the candle glows. Candles can be different colors and shapes, and they sometimes have nice scents like vanilla or lavender. They are used to make a room feel cozy or to celebrate special occasion, like birthdays. When you see the letter C, think of the candle, a warm and glowing light that makes any space feel inviting and special. A carpet is a soft, colorful covering that goes on the floor. It feels nice and warm under your feet and can make a room look cozy and pretty. Carpets come in different patterns and colors, like stripes, polka dots, or flowers. They help make a room comfortable and can also make noise quieter. You can play on a carpet, sit and read, or have fun with toys. Carpets are usually placed in living rooms, bedrooms, or play areas. When you see the letter C, think of the carpet, a friendly and soft floor covering that makes any space feel nice and inviting. A centipede is a long, skinny insect with many legs, usually around 30 to 40. Its body is made up of many segments, each with a pair of legs. Centipedes are often found in dark, damp places like under rocks or in the soil. They have a segmented body that helps them move quickly and crawl smoothly. Centipedes are known for their fast movements and can look a bit scary because of their many legs. They eat other insects and small creatures. When you see the letter C, think of the centipede, an interesting insect with lots of legs and a speedy way of moving. A calculator is a handy tool used to do math problems quickly. It has buttons with numbers and symbols like plus, minus, multiply, times, and divide, divided by. When you press the buttons, the calculator shows the answer on a screen. It can help with adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing numbers, making math easier and faster. Calculators come in different sizes and colors, from simple ones to more advanced ones with extra functions. When you see the letter C, think of the calculator, a useful gadget that helps you solve math problems and learn numbers. A ceiling fan is a device that helps keep you cool by blowing air around the room. It is mounted on the ceiling and has blades that spin when you turn it on. The fan's blades move quickly and create a breeze that makes the air feel fresh and cool. You can usually find a switch on the wall or a remote control to turn the fan on or off and change its speed. Ceiling fans come in different styles and can be colorful or plain. When you see the letter C, think of the ceiling fan, a helpful and cool tool that keeps rooms comfortable and breezy. A cell phone is a small, portable device that lets you talk to people, send messages, and even take pictures. It has a screen that shows you apps, games, and videos. You can use a cell phone to call friends and family or play fun games. It can also help you with learning, as you can use it to look up information or listen to music. Cell phones come in different colors and shapes and are usually carried in pockets or bags. When you see the letter C, think of the cell phone, a useful gadget that helps you stay connected and have fun.